Hi, my name is Asita Reed and I'm the lead chef for the Small Bites Adventure Club. Here's how it works. You sign up on the website, order as many kits as you need. Each kit feeds about 25 kids and it arrives in the mail in this box. Let's check it out. Inside of each kit is fresh produce, including one item from a local farm, as well as all of the pre-measured ingredients you'll need to make today's recipe. Inside each handout, we have information about the farmers, information about the featured produce, a review of all the ingredients, and steps for cooking. Then we have our taste test chart. Finally, we have stickers, one for each student who tries today's recipe. And recipes you can send home to caregivers and parents, which have more farmer information and the featured produce of the month. This is Chef Asita. Thanks for supporting our mission to help children discover, love, and eat their fruits and vegetables. Buy your taste test kit today at www.smallbites.club.